Application range, suitable for precise quantitative filling of raw materials such as chemicals, food, and medicine. Basic parameters. Power supply, AC 220V5060HZ air source, 0.5-0.7 par. Filling volume, 1-5 kg graduation value, 2G to 5G. Filling capacity, for 80-720 barrels H. Filling accuracy, less than or equal to 0.1% FS. Filling gun material, SUS-30 for SUS-316 PTFE, optional. Explosion proof grade, X11BT4, optional. Main features. The system adopts programmable PLC controller and full Chinese guidance operation, with reliable performance. The overall process of the filling gun is made to prevent dripping and splashing, quick release connector, easy to disassemble and wash. The system target value can be set freely, and the filling gun height can be adjusted, which is suitable for fast filling of various specifications of packaging barrels. Equipped with large and small ball valve groups and double-stage filling guns, large, medium and small 3-stage filling design, accurate and stable filling. Filling is prohibited without a barrel on the scale,